the one with the flag, Kia. The buffalo with the flag attached to it. The red thing?
Yeah.
Maybe it's injured. I bet it's injured.
Other buffalo going to the left of the hill. Maybe it's staying in the water.
It's just hail. Non-stop. Torrential. And we got this poor buffalo. He's got a flag on him. We don't know if that means he was tagged. Do you think it's not? Do you think it's afterbirth?
Oh, yeah.
Not? You think that's afterbirth?
Yes, it is.
Or it's having a baby.
That's kind of like me.
Maybe it's covering the baby.
Are you think coming out of his butt?
That must be afterbirth.
Tiny, look at the baby.
Oh yeah, the baby can't walk. It's too new.
It's the smallest baby you've ever
It's
seen.
fresh out. It can't move.
Oh my gosh. It's stuck in the hail.
That is a good parent.
Great mama though. Hey, look, it's standing over the baby.
So cute.
You want to go back to Lamar?
Yeah, I should get.
I'm joking. There's hail in there. We're not going.
Just shook off. Kia, turn the wipers off, please.
Yes, let's keep up the hail. Look, everyone's pulled over at one at some point or another. The baby.
Your baby survived it, Mama. You're a good mama.
But who knows? Because aren't they like fragile in their heads and stuff? Right? At least human beings.
It would be
It's
underneath
nursing,
the
though, I
baby.
think, already, or just taking shelter,
Baby
so...
would be underneath the mama.
It is. Oh, that cleared up. Dad, look, there's blue sky.
That was thunder. We're like, what is a flag connected to it? That's pretty doofo.